सुर बिन मिले न सरस्वती और गुरु बिन मिले न ज्ञान, जल बिन हंसा यूं मिले जैसे भरत मिले भगवान. Goa state of Goa requested us to please launch another film city in Goa. I said yes, that's the right location for the next film city, and we are going to do it, and you are going to be my partners in this film city. I'm very happy today we have with us some of the very prominent people from all over the world, and our heartiest welcome to no other than a very charming, handsome policeman who's a singer too. Our heartiest welcome to Kulbinder Rai. Big clap for him. A British policeman who has proved his caliber, his stature, his honesty to the whole UK. Many times award-winning, this policeman has got a artistic heart. All that what he has seen in last 20 years of his police service convinced him that nothing can be won without love, affection and music. What can be the most lucrative day for a teacher when his student actually sharing a dice with him in the same institution? Yes, I'm talking about no other than Rumail Gulzar. Heartiest welcome to Rumail Gulzar, student of AFT, now settled in Leicester, UK, and I found that he is the most prominent and the most popular journalist of the city of Leicester. So I'm very happy we have another very important guest on the dais, and our heartiest welcome to John Jesus from Nigeria. And today, my dear friends, this has become a wonderful moment for all of us at Marva Studios to release the new album of our honorable guest, Kabhi Nazar.
Once again, I welcome all the students of UBatch to Marwai Studios, and we assure you for building up your best of the professional career.
Thank you very much, and we are here till today and tomorrow. If you want to come and have a chat, most welcome, and all the best for future.
Be courageous. Focus on what you are doing. Do it well. Have passion for it. Thank you.
I left Punjab when I was 9 years old, years and years ago, over 40 years ago. And I tried to learn what I could before then, educationally, Hindi and Punjabi. And even after over 40 years being there, I still haven't forgotten anything. Hindi, Punjabi, किसी में बात कर लो, वही याद है कि अपनी माँ बोली होती है, मातृभाषा होती है. If you lose that, you lose your identity. So wherever you go, never forget your culture. Because you can learn English, you can learn Spanish, Italian, French, whatever. But what's God given you as a birthright, whether you're from Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Urdu, Hindi, Gujarati, जो भी भाषा है आपकी बोली है. Never forget your roots, never forget your language. That's what I say after even 40 years, 20 years in the police service. We are what we are, and we should be proud wherever we go in the world. And that's why I get surprised when I want to speak in Hindi and Punjabi, and it's very hard to catch people because English is like regarded the most wonderful thing. But if you remember, when the English Empire was around, the British Empire, they ruled half the world. They did not forget their language, which was English. They actually taught half the world what their language was. So why should we go abroad anywhere and forget our language and stick to English or any foreign language? Because never leave your roots. And I went there at the age of 9 and started school. Then at the age of 12, my father passed away. So I started doing part-time jobs supporting my mother for 3-4 years. I used to do these paper rounds, अखबारें जाके deliver करनी घरों में. I used to do 2 rounds in the morning, 2 in the evening, and go to school as well. Then after that I went to college, university. Then I qualified as an aerospace engineer. जो बड़े-बड़े Air Force में fighter jets होते हैं ना, और बड़े-बड़े aircraft होते हैं, jumbo jets and all that. उसके engine जो design करने, manufacture करने. Then 1994 I thought I wanted to do something more in the community. So I joined the British Police Force as a Special Constable. With Special Constable, I still kept in touch with my engineering roots because I enjoyed that so much. And this year has been 20 years my service with the police force. 2002 I was awarded the Queen's Golden Jubilee Medal by the Queen. Some officers were selected from around the UK. Then after 10 years, 2004, I was awarded the Long Service Medal, which everybody gets after 10 years. Then if you remember 2012, it was the Queen's Diamond Jubilee Medal. And thanks to God, my name came forward again and I was awarded that medal. So I've been awarded 3 medals in the last 20 years. Never be afraid of learning and improving yourselves. So then 2008, I released my first album. There were 8 songs in there, all Bhangra type, different types of music. There was one song especially dedicated to my Vatan, India, Mahabharat, Bharat, Yog Marji Sanklo. It was very soulful music. Then a few months after that, my wife, she was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and it came as a shock, absolutely shock, because she never been ill all her life. Then after a few months, we started chemotherapy and treatment and everything. Don't anything stop you. Follow your dream, but be ready for criticism. Wherever you are in school or home with parents. And downfalls, you always up and down. Dukh sukh aayega zindagi mein, right? But never give up.
चंगा कम कर लो कदे ना डरिए राया बेलिया नो हस गल लाई दे
कभी नजर तो मिलाओ तो कोई बात बने तुम मेरे सपनों में तो आओ तो कोई बात बने कभी नजर तो मिलाओ तो कोई बात बने
भागों में खिलते हैं फूल भागों में खिलते हैं दुनिया में यार ऐसे नसीबों से मिलते हैं This is for my home, my motherland, everybody. कदी सानू भी याद करी कदी सानू भी याद करी बुरा कुछ बोल गए यारा सानू माफ करी, यारा सानू माफ करी।